Hi everyone, today we are going to show you another awesome and very simple shifty tip. Are you up for a party with a lot of sandwiches? With tomatoes maybe? Cutting tomatoes in half could be tricky. You can easily cover your kitchen with tomato juice. But not with our tip. You just need 2 plates beside the knife. Put the tomatoes into the first plate and cover them with the second. Then slightly push the upper plate and slowly slide the tomatoes in between the 2 plates using the knife. You know, safety is first.
That's the shifty way. If you like this video, you might be interested in some other stuff. Click to watch these awesome tips as well. If you don't want to miss our new videos on every Thursday, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.